In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Wufoo content download form in just a few simple steps. This will help you efficiently manage and track your content downloads, making it easier for you to connect with your audience and gather the necessary information for your outreach efforts. To get started, we need to first access the Wufoo content download form template. Open up your web browser and head over to the Wufoo website. Once you're there, locate the Content Download Form template. This template acts as a perfect starting point for setting up your form because it has been specifically designed to handle the requirements of content downloads. After finding the template, look for the option that says Use this form. Clicking this button will seamlessly add the template to your personal Wufoo account. You'll now have your very own copy of the form, which you can customize to suit your specific needs. Now that we have the form template in our account, it's time to customize the form fields to align with the details you wish to collect from your audience. Begin this process by editing the existing fields in the form to make them relevant to your particular content offer. You might want to consider starting with basic personal information. Add a field for the name, ensuring it captures both first and last names. This will allow you to personalize the engagement you have with your audience. Following that, include a field for the email address. Capturing email addresses is crucial for follow-up communication or delivery of the content they've requested. Depending on the nature of your content offer and your target audience, you might also choose to include additional fields. For example, if your content is intended for businesses or professionals, a field for the company name can be added, providing extra insight into who is downloading your content. Similarly, incorporating a job title field might be beneficial. This is especially important if you're targeting professionals in specific roles or industries. Although optional, these fields can provide valuable context about your audience and help in tailoring future communication. Lastly, the most significant part of your form, the download button, is what initiates the actual content download. Ensure this button is clearly labeled and stands out on the form so that users understand where to click to receive your content. At this point in the process, your form is not only capturing essential information, but is also ready to deliver the content your audience desires. With these customizations in place, you have successfully set up a Wufoo content download form. This setup will enable you to not only share valuable resources with your audience, but also streamline how you gather crucial data for further engagement. And there you have it, a Wufoo content download form tailored to your needs, ready to go. Remember to regularly review and update your form to ensure it remains effective and relevant to your evolving audience needs.